Hello everyone, welcome back to Code Simple Lab. In the previous video, we learned about operators in C Sharp. In this video, we will learn about if-else statements in C Sharp. If-else statements are used when we want our program to make a decision. For example, if a condition is true, one block of code runs. If the condition is false, another block of code runs. Let's understand this with simple examples. Okay. Let's declare a variable int age is equal to 20. Okay, now the if statement, if condition age is greater than or equal to 18. Okay, now what compiler will do? It will come to this statement, it will check age is greater than or equal to 18. Age is 20. Yes, it is greater than 20. So this line of this piece of code will get executed and it will print you are an adult. For example, if we have declared age as 15, what it would have done? It will check if age is greater than or equal to 18. Age is 15. So it is false. It will not come into this piece of code. It will jump into the else block and it will execute you are a minor. Okay. Now jumping to the other example. Let's declare bool is raining is equal to true. Now we will check if it's raining. What we'll do, we'll print it's raining, don't forget your umbrella. In this case, it's yes, it is raining is true. So this piece of code will get executed. And whatever you put inside these two curly braces, that piece of code will be executed. Now, for example, if we have declared is raining as false, it will check if raining is false. So it will jump into the else statement and it will execute this statement and it will print it's not raining, enjoy the sunshine. Now let's look into the other example. Let's declare one variable int first number is equal to 10 and let's declare another number as another variable as second number as 5. Okay, now the if statement, if okay, now if compiler will come to this statement, it will check first number 10 is greater than 5. Yes, it is true. So it will execute this piece of code inside the if statement. So it will print 10 is greater than 5. Now, if we change first number to, for example, 3, what it will do, it will first come and check the first if statement. If 3 is greater than 5, no, 3 is not greater than 5. So next it will come to the if else if statement. It will check 3 is less than 5. Yes, it is true. So this code block gets executed. Okay, and it will print 3 is less than 5. Now imagine we would have declared 3. Both numbers, first and second number, are 3. So it will come first to the if statement. It will check 3 is greater than 3. It is false. It will not execute this piece. Then it will come into else if block. It will check 3 is less than 3. No. Then it will finally, if no condition is met, it will execute the else block. It will print 3 is equal to 3. Now let's look another example. Nested if else statement. Okay, we can have if statement inside a if statement. So let's declare bool as account is equal to true and bool has password is equal to true. Okay. Now, if has account, okay, let's if has password, okay, else, let okay. Now we have declared two Boolean variables has account and has password. Both are set to true. So first it will come to this if statement and it will check has account true. Then it will go inside again if statement. It will check has password. It is true. So this piece of code will be executed and it will print you can log in. For example, if you have set has password as false, then it will come to this first if statement and it will check has account true. Then it will come to the second if statement and it will check has password false. Then it will jump onto the else block and it will print you need to set a password. Now, if we have set has account as false, so what it will do, it will come to the first if statement has account is false, and then it will directly go to the else block and it will print you need to create an account. Okay, so in this video, we learned how to use if else and else if statements in C Sharp. We also looked at comparison operators, Boolean conditions, nested if statements. If else, if else is very important because it helps our program to make decisions. In the next video, we will learn about switch statements in C Sharp. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in next video.